What's up, guys? Intellitech Studios here, and here is a new vacuum. Now, it does kind of worry me a bit because I saw that the box is busted open and you can see the machine. So I really hope that that's not a bad omen for what's to come. That is a little bit annoying considering this vacuum hasn't even left the state. It actually shipped here from St. Charles, Illinois. So this machine has not left the state. Now, I already cut, don't want to show that sticker. I already cut both sides, but the top of the box is still not cut. So I'll cut that real quick. And I don't think I cut that properly. I always like to do this on camera, so that way if there is an issue, then I have it well documented. It's dangerous. Actually, I'm going to put this back. Alright, so I got plenty of fragile stickers on this box. And yeah, just dropped straight in a box with no packaging, no padding, no nothing. So I'm actually kind of glad that nobody from out of state bought this because it would not have arrived safely. I'm not even super confident that it arrived here safely, but it looks okay. So I guess we just lift this out. There's nothing else to it, really. Well, other than the fact that it's heavy. See if I can not drop the phone. All right. Not much in the way of packaging, to say the least. So this is all the packaging we got. Just a big piece of paper, and that's it. And then a little bit of bubble wrap. Not even attached or anything. Wow. Honestly, I'm surprised that this thing arrived in one piece. And it appears that it has. God, this handle sucks so much. I really didn't want to buy this because I didn't want to deal with this handle again. Those of you in the UK who've had these DC15s, can you confirm that this is a ridiculous abomination? This is literally the UK handle, but it's on backwards. And it's like supposed to be that way. The button's right there. Well, the brush fell off, but it is there. So yeah, I mean, on the bright side, there's not much to assembly, it seems. It's just ready to go, I suppose. So yeah, for the first time in a long time on this channel, we have a Dyson The Ball DC15 all fours. I had one of these a long time ago, and I wanted another one. Kind of. Sort of. One of my friends was going to offer me one, but I got the stowaway instead, and I'm actually glad I did. That's a fantastic machine. But I ended up getting one of these as well. So, ew. Well, to be fair, this thing was listed for, I want to say it was like $200 at first. And then it dropped down to like $250, and then it dropped down to like $240. Again, the exact numbers could be wrong. But then when I got it, it was down to like $115 plus shipping, which unfortunately, plus shipping still meant, $50 in shipping. So this ended up costing me about $175 after all is said and done. And honestly, for that price, I was willing to chance it because it looked like it was in decent shape. Oh, that filter's bad. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's a joke. But again, $115. It didn't say it was refurbished or anything, so I guess I can't give the guy too much grief. But yeah, I mean, just looking at that, I'm definitely going to change that filter. But It's a DC15. It has all 3 onboard attachments, which these are not easy to find. I constantly run into people saying that you can use DC14 attachments, and that's just not true. They are not the same. So, despite the box, so far nothing appears to be broken, at least obviously broken. So that's good. The machine, there's a little bit of fading. You can see it's kind of green right there, and it's still gray right there. It's kind of difficult, but doesn't feel brittle or anything. Honestly, this machine is not nearly as heavy as I remembered it being. I thought this machine was going to be super bulky, but apparently it's actually not too bad. So, yeah, we got our crevice tool. Those clips aren't broke. So yeah, we got all that. Got our upholster tool. Hey, still got the Velcro, so that's good. Dusting brush. Really good shape, actually. Okay. You know what? This isn't bad. Isn't bad at all. But yeah. What does this brush roll look like? Okay. Got our metal base plate, which is the only Dyson with a metal base plate. The end caps actually feel okay, which is good because you can't get these anymore. Sometimes you can find the ones for the DC21 and they kind of fit. Oh, there's a piece of something in there. Brush roll feels okay. Bristles look okay. A little bit of hair on them, but nothing too bad. Bristles are definitely worn. But I mean, it seems... So that one right there is worn down to nothing. And then that one's worn a little bit, but I mean, honestly, could be worse. Could totally be worse. Wheels are absolutely chewed, but that's pretty typical with the Dyson. For some reason, people like to run these on concrete like it's going out of style. And I forgot where the serial date is. I think it's over here. Of course, it's dusty over here, but it's not too bad. So, this one was manufactured on the 15th week of 2005. Does that say 2005? Yes, it does. So this is a launch model DC15. So this machine, because another reason I wanted to get this machine is, you know, it's about to turn 20 years old. So it might be a fun little review. And the fact that this exact one specifically is a release model, so it also is 20 years old, pretty cool too. Although I'm definitely going to have to replace this filter. And if this filter hasn't been changed, then there's no chance that this filter's been changed. So I'm going to have to find one of these if I can still get one, at least. I don't know if you can still get these filters or not. It's actually part of the housing too, so it's kind of strange. But yeah, so I'm going to try to run it as is because obviously this was advertised as working, but I'll likely end up replacing that filter. So yeah, we'll go ahead and plug this in and give it a run. So far the cable, Rocco's knocking over things. So far the cable appears to be okay. Of course we got the goofy cord winders. It's kind of clamped right there, but nothing too bad. Yeah, cable's in good shape. So yeah, so far it just seems to be the wheels that are really chewed up. And of course, the end caps are pretty bad. And then of course this side piece has gotten gouged really badly. Like this has been gouged really badly on furniture, but thankfully there's no hole in there. But if they had done this a few more times in this spot, you'd actually have a hole in the housing. So that's not ideal, but it does appear to be in okay shape. So, oh, is there a crack right here? So there is a small crack right there. It's very subtle, but there is a small crack right there. So, but if that's all that there is, I can probably live with that because I don't think that's structural. I don't think that's going to hurt it too much. Let's see. Okay, so it's off. So we'll go ahead and plug it in backwards in traditional old Dyson fashion. And yeah, we'll give this a run. So, just as I remember, this thing is very quiet, but it's still not like super pleasant because it's extremely high pitched. And it did get a little bit of stuff, but nothing too crazy. I wonder if the pitch will be helped, if the pitch will be helped by me replacing the filters. But I mean, the thing still has good suction somehow, despite these filters being obviously blocked. I do wonder if the pitch and the screeching would be helped by that. The cleaner head likes to bob up and down a lot, but I'm not sure if that's normal or maybe it's because the wheels are locked up. I don't know yet. But it does appear to work, and there doesn't appear to be any major breaks other than that little one up there by the cord hook. So yeah, that's the Dyson The Ball. Not the Dyson Ball, the Dyson The Ball. DC15. All floors. So yeah, there will be more videos on this soon in celebration of its anniversary and all that. I don't yet know if I'm going to keep this machine long term. If you are interested, I very well may sell it, but I don't know yet. So anyways, this is Intellitech Studio signing out with my unboxing. Although I can't, is that really much of an unboxing? With my unboxing and acquisition of the Dyson The Ball, not Ball, again, Dyson The Ball, DC15, all floors. In 2025, 20 years after this machine came out. So yeah, Intellitech Studios signing out. Have a good one. Let me know what videos you want to see with this thing. And have a good one. Peace.